Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to fulfill orders on Shopify through custom fulfillment services. If you're working with third-party warehouses or fulfillment partners, this setup will help you streamline your order management and ensure that inventory is tracked correctly across your business. First, open your browser and navigate to shopify.com. Once you're there, log into your Shopify account using your credentials. This will take you directly to your Shopify admin dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your store. Now that you're on the home page, look over to the left side of your screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. Click on Settings to access the various configuration options for your store. This is where you'll be able to set up and manage your fulfillment services. Inside the settings area, you'll see another menu on the left side. From here, click on Shipping and Delivery. This section controls how your orders are shipped and which fulfillment services handle your inventory. It's crucial for connecting your store to external fulfillment partners. Once you're in the shipping and delivery settings, scroll down the page until you find a section labeled Custom Order Fulfillment. This is where you can add external fulfillment services that will handle your products. Click on Add Fulfillment Service to begin the setup process. You'll now see a form where you can input the details of your fulfillment partner. Enter a name for the fulfillment service so you can easily identify it later, and add the email address associated with your fulfillment partner. This email will be used for communication regarding orders. Once you've filled in these details, click Save to finalize the setup. Give it a moment to process and save your new fulfillment service. Now that your fulfillment service is set up, go ahead and close the settings by clicking the X or navigating back to the main dashboard. You're ready to assign products to this fulfillment service. On the left side of your screen, click on Products. This will bring up a list of all the products in your store. From here, select the product you want to assign to your custom fulfillment service. This ensures that when orders come in for this product, they'll be routed to the correct fulfillment partner. Once you're on the product page, scroll down until you find the inventory section. This is where you control where your product stock is located and managed. Look for the field labeled Inventory will be stocked at. Click on the drop-down menu and change it to the fulfillment service that you just created. This tells Shopify that this particular product is being handled by your external fulfillment partner. Finally, click Save at the top of the page to apply your changes. This locks in the inventory assignment and ensures that your fulfillment service will receive notifications and details for any orders involving this product. And that's it. You've successfully set up a custom fulfillment service on Shopify and assigned a product to it. This setup allows you to work seamlessly with third-party fulfillment partners and keep your inventory organized. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.